Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at the Grand Design Imagine 2800 BH. So up front, this travel trailer measures at about 32 feet long, and the dry weight's a little bit over 6,400 pounds, about 6,500 pounds. Right here, we do have a nice power tongue jack right here. Propane tanks and everything. And the reason why this looks so good is because this is a molded fiberglass front cap. Coming on down the side here, we do got huge storage right here, held up by a magnet. Not one, but two entry doors into the travel trailer. One leads into the bedroom, one leads into the living room. And then right over here, we do have solid steps to enter the living room. And this is what I love. You do have this awesome outside kitchen. Capital griddle right here, refrigerator and everything. It's super nice. Let's take a look on the inside. Entering this travel trailer, you can first see that you got double over doubles. Love that. Look at this flip up storage right here. Super nice for all your storage. The bathroom in here has a huge shower. You never see this in a bunkhouse. Then right over here, we do have the very nice Thomas Paine theater seats, which has the parachuting recliners. And I love this because we are looking directly across at the TV entertainment center. Very nice corner kitchen in here. It's amazing how much they packed into this travel trailer. Then we do have a very nice U-shaped dinette that can fit the whole family. Nice big windows and the power fans here. Guys, it's Fort Myers and we've been sweating all day. With these fans, it instantly knocked the temperature down 10 degrees, 15 degrees in here. Amazing. And then to wrap it all up, queen size bed with storage all the way around it. TV does hook up in here, and again, the best part about it is they incorporated this in about 2016 or 2018, another doorway leading into the master bedroom. Thank you guys so much for checking out this quick 2-minute tour. If you guys want to see the full review of this unit, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews, Towables, or if you know that this is a travel trailer that you want to buy, fill out the contact form down below. One of our trained travel trailer specialists will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.